In this short video, I'll show you how integrating Cloud CMA with Zillow Tech Connect Leads allows you to automatically send a CMA report to any lead you generate. In the Cloud CMA dashboard, click on your profile icon in the upper right and select Account Settings. Then click on Integrations. At the bottom of the page, you'll see your API key. Copy this sequence of numbers and letters. Then go to your Zillow Premier dashboard. You want to make sure you're in the Accounts tab and then connect to My CRM. Next, click on Add Partner and select Cloud CMA from the drop-down menu. Lastly, paste the API key in the box where it says Provide a Partner ID and click Save. Now, Cloud CMA and Zillow Tech Connect are integrated. Just like that, you've added additional value to your business because your new lead will automatically get a Cloud CMA report without you having to lift a finger.